As we pan over the tall grass, an enormous insect catches our attention, the mosquito hawk, also known as a crane fly. Despite its intimidating size, this gentle giant doesn't actually prey on mosquitoes or humans at all. Have you ever seen one of these before? Or called it by a different name? Perhaps you thought it was a giant mosquito. But what if this isn't just a harmless insect? With its large body, it could easily carry surveillance devices and detectable government drone, watching our every move. Could it be spying on us, blending perfectly into the environment without us even noticing?